I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, also famous, number one desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air.
So it's not very often that the experience of shooting like 35mm film sucks, and this is one of those experiences, and I want to share with you why that is. So this past weekend, I set out with the intent or the goal on shooting some 35mm Kodak Gold 200, shooting some black people for research purposes for an upcoming trip. And I just wanted to see how the film kind of just like emulates or portrays, whatever the word is, just like black skin tones and just like the different colors or just like lightness and darkness of like black people and whatnot in like various lighting situations and just like the colors of their clothes. I want to see how all that kind of came out on this film. So to make a semi-long story short, what happened was I went downtown to shoot some photos, packed all my gear, headed down there, got down there, first pulled out my B-roll camera, kind of like walked around, shot some stuff, and it was really hot, so we kind of just like got tired really quick. My sister and I were out there and decided to take a break and go back inside. After we were inside, I was like, okay, next time we go out, I'm gonna take out my M6 and this Kodak Gold, go shoot some photos. So I got the M6 all ready, nice and lens cleaned up and everything. And then I couldn't find my film. I was looking all through my bag, couldn't find my freaking film. So I was like, dang it, I think I left it in the car. So we went back downstairs. We had to walk like a block, I believe, and go back to my car to find my film. Looked in the car, could not find my film. Ultimately ended up realizing that I had left my film at home like an idiot. So just like this whole plan and idea of just shooting this and just figuring out if this film will work for my upcoming trip and just like being able to kind of do this like research was all just like thrown in the trash. And I was just like, forget it. There's absolutely no video that I'm going to shoot. But then I realized I had my GR3 on me and decided, okay, I'll just use that instead and it'll be even more fun, I guess, because I have the option of like black and white and color. And I think I ultimately chose to just go with just the black and white because it was sunny, it was cloudy, the light and everything was changing. So I kind of just had to live with what the situation was. So we went back out, started shooting again, and then it just decided to start raining. And obviously it's like a digital camera. I don't think it's like weather sealed or anything. Didn't want to get it wet, didn't want to get water inside the lens, so just decided to put it away after I took a few photos and go back inside. After we went back inside, we went back out once again, and we were walking outside all but 5 minutes, and then I guess a fight broke out and people decided to start shooting. Being dead serious here, so we immediately turned around, ran back inside, and just called it a day after that. And it's unfortunate that there was a shooting, and it really just kind of like disappoints me because it kind of just ruined the day. Not just for like the shooting and everything, because I was able to take like a few photographs, but it just disappointed me that there was just gang members there that just can't act like civilized humans and kind of just ruined the experience for, you know, kind of everybody. I mean, people stayed out and just the event continued, but you know, it's not worth like being on that type of risk, no matter like what level it was. So I just decided to leave and just call it a day. With all that being said, if you're gonna head out somewhere that's like a little far from where you live, don't forget your film for your film camera so that you can shoot your film photos for a film video for a film YouTube channel, or else it's all kind of pointless and you feel like an idiot. So it's all good. But I'm glad I was able to make the best of the entire situation because I had the Ricoh on me and was able to take some photos of just like a few things at least. With all that being said, just wanted to talk about a few of the photos that I captured and just like the experience, I guess. So this photo here, I kind of want to quickly bring up, man. I kind of wanted to leave it in color. I'm not sure exactly why, but I don't like the photo. I wanted to like it, but I kind of just, you can see what I was going for here with the guy and like the little statue legs. I guess I kind of just aimed a little too low with the camera. I should have just brought it up some more, and I really don't like all the signage and stuff on the right hand side. I wish I kind of would have just framed it to the left a little more, but you know, it was a good try. But yeah, this is just one of the fail photos. I kind of like this photo because of just like the two little girls right there in the front, but I wish I had taken my time more with this photo and just framed it a little better. I don't like the line above the girl with like the lollipop or sucker in her hand. I don't like the line above her head and like those words. You can't really see what the full word says there, but kind of wish I just like crop that out. And this is an uncropped photo, so technically I could crop it out, but you know, her feet down there are almost cut off and everything, and just again, weird framing. Should have took my time a little more. This photo of this like couple or this brother and sister, I'm not sure what they are here. This photo of these two people walking down the tracks I kind of like because it has just like the leading lines of the tracks and all that, and just like an umbrella above this dude's head and whatnot, because it was raining at this moment. But I just like the contrast of the photo and everything. Your eyes are kind of directed towards the center, but then again, all these white tents, your eyes are kind of dragged off to like the sides a little, which I don't like, but it's whatever. It's an alright photo. Alright, so this next photo I wish came out a little better. So this guy just sitting on this corner under this like 28th Street sign. I do have like multiple photos of it, but I like this one the best because like on the left-hand side, on the far left-hand side, you have the other street signs. You can kind of see like the crossroads happening here, but I wish I was a little wider to get like his feet or full body like in that shot there. This is a pretty decent photo, but again, just I need to take my time more when I'm like shooting on the streets. So here's a few photos of some kids. This one with the kids on the train tracks, I kind of like. There's nothing really too much to complain about here. I just like the action of all like the different kids. You got the one staring at the camera. You got the one in this like weird kind of hoodie that has like some type of eyeball. I think that's a skateboard company. I think that's Volcom. But yeah, I kind of like everything that's happening in this photo. It's a pretty decent photo. We got like these girls here dancing on the train tracks. Again, I like this one. Wish I had taken my time slightly a little more with this photo, but everything was happening so quick. I kind of just got what I got with it, but it's all good. I really like the photo still. This one works pretty well in like color too, but I just prefer the black and white. This photo right here, just I think probably would have been like my absolute most favorite photo, but I was just so nervous for whatever reason. I don't know why, but I wish I was a little wider again, just to capture like his whole feet in there and just get like a little bit straighter of an angle, because I really just like the motion and just like the curiosity this kid kind of just has, and like his body language and like posture and everything. So decent photo. I was able to recover it. This actually was like super blown out and everything because I snapped it so fast, but again, it's all good. And this photo right here is actually probably one of my favorites. Me and this kid actually just had like full on eye contact the whole time I was approaching them, but I kind of just kept the camera down until I got like super close up to him and just quickly snapped the picture and said, "What's up?" But yeah, it ended up working out. It's probably like my favorite photo of them all. It just really works with the black and white, I guess. I just like the dark kind of spot in the umbrella up at the top on the left-hand side, and then just everything else, just the whole position of the umbrella and just his hat and kind of just like posture. It all just kind of works for whatever reason. But yeah, this photo really like just stands out above like most of the photos that I took this day. Again, here's just another like random crowd shot that I kind of got. This is when it was raining, so yeah, everybody was kind of just like rushing away, kind of running away while I was taking these photos, which is why there's so few of them, and just like why this whole experience just kind of sucked in general. But again, just it was an overall just like fun experience to be out there and just shooting these photos. So what a chaotic day. Next time I'm definitely not going to forget my film at home. So if you like this video, thank you first of all for like watching it all. I feel like it was a little bit pointless, but in the end, you know, we still captured photos. But thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and please consider subscribing because I definitely have more content coming. Thanks for watching.